What is the saddest thing you have heard a child say? We received a 7-year-old girl for what was to be one day. The plan was for her to appear in court the next day to give testimony about what her mother's boyfriend had done to her. The expectation was that she would then be returned to her mother, with a boyfriend out on his ear. When she returned, she told me she had to live with me because her mother loved the boyfriend more and wouldn't kick him out of their house. Since the living arrangements with the father were complicated, she couldn't go there yet, so she had to be with strangers. She asked me if I knew why her mother would do such a thing. I struggled to give her some answer without disparaging her mother, as that can hurt a child. I said, even grown-ups get confused about what's important. She cried on my shoulder until she was exhausted. Why indeed, was all I could think. We managed well, and in 6 months, she was returned to her father. By that time, we discovered she didn't need classes for children with developmental disabilities. She could learn well, and she was emotionally stable. Her life got significantly better, but the scar from her mother's rejection stayed for a long time.